Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivian. If today is the first time we come across this channel, I beg try subscribe, like and share. And make sure say you press that notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, you will see her. I know need introduce this young lady already, I don't know her, and I know say anytime when she dey here na conversation with the day. So I know say una they always like conversation videos. So anytime when this young lady dey around, they always they try they bring her come inside, ok? Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale. Seguite il canale, commentate, condividete, mettete il like. Okay guys, what do we want to do today? Today we go from say we dey restaurants and we want make am be say it dey as natural as possible. Okay, we don't want to form anything here. Because at the end of the day, if I go restaurant, or rather if we go restaurant, now so we take the order our food and so we take the ask question if need they to ask question. And before I start, I need to know say like una suppose already don't know say italo they know they eat like us. Like if na we want eat now, we'll just eat only that one. Or if na about one eat, or if na rice we want eat, then they call our own piatto unico. Okay, because we're not going to eat il primo, il secondo, dolce, and all of that. Una know for English, il primo they call them first course, second course, and all of that. And dessert, which is dolce. And Italians they take coffee after their meals, but we know they take. Okay, so if I talk if una hear il primo, il secondo, oppure dolce, so una go understand what I mean. Let's dive right into the video. Okay.
Buonasera, signora. Good evening, ma.
Buonasera. Good evening. Ho prenotato un tavolo per uno. I booked a table for one.
Ok. A che nome? By what name?
Ho prenotato a nome Convi. I booked with the name Convi.
Vediamo. Sì, Convi, perfetto. Allora le mostro il suo tavolo. Yes, Convi, perfect. Let me lead you to your table. Ecco il menù. Here's the menu.
Grazie. Cosa mi consiglia per il primo? What would you recommend for the first course?
Il piatto del giorno è il risotto. The dish of the day is risotto.
Ah, buono! If Italians do this, you know, they say, it's tasty. Ah, buono! Mi piace molto il risotto. Ah, nice! I really like risotto.
E per il secondo, and for the second course?
Per il secondo vorrei la bistecca. For the second course, I would like a steak.
Va bene. E da bere cosa vorrebbe? Ok. And what would you like to drink?
Ok. Da bere acqua, grazie. I would like water, thank you. Then, if I don't eat finish now, I'll come imagine, say, this place bomb, this food is really sweet. I'll go take for my hand, say, ho mangiato davvero bene. Time. Then, the signorina here, which is the waitress, what's the waitress for Italian language? Cameriera.
Vuole il dolce? Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. No, grazie.
E il caffè? And a coffee?
No, grazie. No, thank you. No, grazie. Mi potrebbe portare il conto? No, thank you. Could you please get me the bill?
Certo. Preferisce pagare in contanti o con carta di credito? Sure. Would you prefer to pay with cash or with credit card?
Contanti, grazie. Ecco I soldi. Cash, thank you. Here's the money.
Grazie mille e arrivederci. Thank you very much and bye bye.
Grazie, arrivederci a lei. Thank you, bye bye to you. Okay, guys. Wanna let me know for the comment section how many of you they like Italian food. I know say many Nigerians not really the bad Nigeria Italo food like that, but I really love pasta. Io amo la pasta. Cioè, impazzisco per la pasta. Non so perché. I want to know, what is your favorite Italian food? Ok? Qual è il tuo piatto italiano preferito? Per piatto, I know say they'll this in a plate, but piatto in realtà it means dish, like which dish you prefer. Ok? Fatemelo sapere nei commenti. Qual è il vostro piatto italiano preferito? Donatella, qual è il tuo?
La pizza.
La pizza? Davvero? Allora dovreste andare a Napoli, come dicono. Dicono che a Napoli facciano delle pizze pazzesche, ma ci devo ancora andare. Fatemelo sapere, ragazzi, ok? And guys, remember say I did do live video for Facebook by 45. And if you know they follow me for Facebook, what are you waiting for? Follow this your girl, support me, okay? And for Zoom, I did do one from 5 to 6, ok? Donatella, hai qualcosa da aggiungere?
No.
Sicura?
Sì.
Ok ragazzi, alla prossima. Baci. Ciao.